where collective strength guarantees victory. Muli, ako po si Khaled Karen. But tonight, let me stand by the name, Pia Wurtzbach.
Agree ba tayo doon?
Ang ganda ko po sa personal, ano? Thank you, thank you.
Mas maganda pa sa malapitan.
Ay, thank you naman, Chester. Magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi. Again, I guess we can all agree. Khaled Karen looks very gorgeous tonight. And more than that, ganda ng introduction siya. Breaker of barriers.
A trailblazer.
Oh, pero you know what? Sa gabi to, hindi ikaw ang nag-iisa nag-break ng barriers sa buhay nila. Napakaraming IMG members coming together tonight in a pursuit of something greater. At kahit magkakaiba man ang pinanggalingan, basta't iisa ang goal o mission, and we will all work hard for it. Lahat po tayo panalo. Again, ako po si Jess De Los Santos from News 5. And good evening, International Marketing Group.
Grabe! Nakakakilabot ang energy dito sa SMX. Napansin mo ba kanina, Chester? When the IMG members do their whoosh.
Paano ba yung bush?
Sabi nga ng iba, corny daw ang pagkakaroon ng tiyan. Ang masasabi ko lang, okay ng corny, wag lang ugly.
Tama na ito!
Diba? Wala ka ng tiyan, ugly ka naman. Pero ang IMG members, magaganda at guwapo! Palakpakan everybody!
Totoo ba yun?
Yes! At di bali ng corny, basta may ipon, may investment talaga, at magpapayaman sa ating lahat. IMG members, meron lamang po akong request sa inyong lahat. Baka naman pwede pong magpaturo kung paano gawin yung whoosh. Gusto ko ulit pong makita. Okay lang po ba sa inyo? Okay. All of us, all together, IMG in 3, 2, 1!
Mas mahaba ba? Mas nakakaangat sa buhay?
Feeling ko mas mahaba yung hininga, mas maraming achievements na
Yes.
makukuha.
Mas maraming biyaya.
That's right.
Alright, one community, one mission, one heart. And at this point, we would like to say good evening also to the men and